Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today's vlog is going to be a travel vlog and we are going to the beautiful village of Blue Mountain. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Blue Mountain is a ski resort. You're supposed to go there in the winter. But wait a second. They also have summer activities. There's canoeing, there's zip lining, there's rock climbing. So there's a lot of summer activities that you can still do when you visit Blue Mountain during the beautiful summers.
Treading on a thin line, hitting rock bottom. I need the strength to pull me up.
So guys, it's 2 hours later and we are at Blue Mountain Village and it is looking fantastic. It's a beautiful day outside and the sun is shining bright and everything looks fun. This is the village, this is like the central hub of Blue Mountain, and from here you can just find out where you want to go. There's a couple of things you can do, but yeah, I love this. So we just finished buying the tickets. So they don't have day passes, but each individual ticket is $20 for each of the attractions, and you don't have to buy all of them at once. Oopsie. So as I was saying, you don't have to buy all of them at once. You can buy them individually. You can take your time and buy. So we'll see how it goes. We are here for a day. If we still have time, we'll buy more stuff because there's a lot of things to do here. But let's begin with the gondola, probably. It's my turn now.
You're not coming back that way. Okay, I'll just give you
Whoa, that was fantastic. Yo, what do you think how it was?
I was about to die, but I lived. It was so awesome.
It was very beautiful.
It's very
It's
beautiful.
beautiful. It is beautiful up here. Let me show you guys a quick view, a much better view from the vantage point up here. So that was about it for the top of the Blue Mountain, and now we are going back down. There's more activities to do today, so once again we're gonna enjoy the nice view going down. So this next ride is a self-controlled roller coaster kind of thing where you control the speed of the cart. And I'm gonna leave you guys in the bag because you can't take your phones and I don't have any mounting equipment with me to mount the phone anywhere on me or a GoPro. So you guys are gonna go in the bag, I'm gonna go have fun, and I'll see you guys after the ride is done.
I don't wanna know if you're better off without me. I don't wanna know if you're better off. I'll be there for you. I'm never gonna give you up. I'll be there for you.
Yo guys, the ride was actually pretty fantastic. It goes super fast. It looks like it doesn't go fast, but it goes super duper fast. And yeah, I couldn't stop shouting. So we walked all the way up from right there and went all the way up the mountain for the zipline thingy, and then we realized crap, all the equipment and all the training is downstairs or downhill. So we are going downhill again in hopes of getting the training and equipment and then climb back up. Yeah, it's gonna be a good cardio day. So we have our equipment and everything ready. I'm pretty sure I look super fly and I feel like an Iron Man. But yeah, these equipments are necessary. So we had a short training and an equipment session, and now we are going back up from where we came down again. So it's a climb, and then once we are up there, I don't know if I can take you on the zip line either, but we'll see. If I'm able to, I will. Otherwise, I'll see you guys downstairs.
Totally. Oh my god.
He is the most scared of heights. Yo guys, we just got down from the zip line. It was fantastic. It was extra. What do you think, bro? Was
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not doing this again. This is not begin with. If this was the easiest, I'm not doing this again.
so much fun though.
I'm not doing this again.
Treading on a thin line, hitting rock bottom. I need the strength to pull me up from the
Yeah guys, so the food vlog is over, and now we are looking at our next attraction or the next activity, and that would be putting. It's like a mini golf, and the stages like 18 holes, and you have to go through each of them. So this is the first time I'll be playing this, so I have zero clue what it is, and hopefully I make some mistakes, some bloopers, and you guys have fun. Hole 8 and I still suck. Hole number 11 and I still kind of suck. Let's go to the next one. Hole 14 and I'm getting better. Yes.
4, 6, 9, 11, 14, 20, 26,
Score counting going on.
26, 6.
I get ice
have
cream
to treat
for
us both.
yes, I get ice cream for both of you. So we are calling a day off at Blue Mountains, and it was a pretty successful outing slash road trip. I definitely did not win the golf or the putting tournament, but that's fine. It was a lot of fun. And we're gonna say goodbye to this beautiful place. Hopefully we have a chance to come back soon and have more fun, because we definitely missed out on a lot of attractions and adventure trips because the lineup is huge. And we are heading back home now. See you guys back home.